In this experiment, we plan to make air conditioning using the very minimal resources. For our experiment, we used a pump, an L-shaped tube, an airtight container filled with water, and pipes stacked like a pyramid. When creating the three-tier pipe triangle, we used electrical tape. We had already cut the pipes into equal 5 cm pieces beforehand. Back to making the triangle. We first stuck on 4 pipes on. After, we stuck on 3 more pipes on top. And lastly, we stuck the 2 final pieces on top. And finished it off by fastening the pipes with more tape so they wouldn't fall apart or break. The next item we used in the experiment was an open tub, filled nearly to the brim with water. First, we placed the pump, which was already attached to the L-shaped tube, in the corner of the tub. Second, we placed the airtight container filled with water next to the pump. Third, we placed the stacked pipes on top of the container so the pipes will not get fully submerged in water. For the final step, we plugged the pump in and it pumped water onto the stacked pipes. Now that the water has started dripping from the pipes, air that passes through the pipes will cool due to the water's natural cooling properties.